Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Beauty and Fashion, where we bring you the latest trends, expert tips, and styling inspiration to keep you looking your best. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, the iconic Cascade haircut. This timeless hairstyle has been ruling the fashion world for several seasons, constantly evolving to keep up with modern trends while maintaining its signature layered structure. Whether you're looking for volume, texture, or a fresh new look, the Cascade haircut is the perfect choice for all hair lengths and types. Stay tuned as we explore the different variations of this stunning haircut and how you can style it to enhance your natural beauty. Cascade haircuts have remained at the peak of popularity for several seasons, and it's easy to see why. This multi-layered haircut creates soft transitions between different hair lengths, adding volume, movement, and dimension. The beauty of the Cascade lies in its versatility. Whether you have short, medium, or long hair, this style flatters every face shape and hair type. The technique involves cutting the strands layer by layer, with the length gradually decreasing toward the crown. As a result, the haircut gives the illusion of fuller, healthier hair while framing the face beautifully. One of the best things about the Cascade is its ability to work seamlessly with bangs of any style, from curtain bangs to blunt cuts, making it a go-to option for those who want to refresh their look without sacrificing length. There are several popular variations of the Cascade haircut, each offering a unique aesthetic. The classic Cascade is a refined and elegant version, featuring smooth transitions and a well-balanced shape. The ends are often thinned out to create a lightweight effect, making it perfect for those who want a polished and sophisticated look. On the other hand, the torn Cascade introduces a more playful and edgy vibe, with distinct, uneven layers that add texture and a slightly messy, carefree feel. This version is ideal for those who love a more relaxed and effortless appearance. Another fantastic option is the high Cascade, where the layers start right from the crown, creating an incredibly voluminous and dynamic effect. This variation is perfect for those with fine hair, as it adds significant body and movement, making the hair appear fuller and more voluminous. No matter which type of Cascade you choose, this haircut offers endless styling possibilities and suits both natural and bold hair colors beautifully. When it comes to medium-length hair, the Cascade remains a top choice, bringing exciting trends to the forefront. Soft layers, voluminous textures, and expertly crafted cuts help enhance natural beauty effortlessly. One of the most flattering styles is a medium-length Cascade paired with curtain bangs, which creates a stunning face framing effect. The combination of sandy blonde tones adds a fresh and versatile touch, making this style perfect for any season. If you're looking for a modern take on this haircut, consider a layered Cascade with a natural gray shade. This sophisticated look embraces silver strands, giving off an elegant yet contemporary vibe. For those who love rich, deep tones, a chocolate brown Cascade with face framing layers is an excellent choice, adding depth and sophistication to the overall look. The key to mastering the Cascade haircut is ensuring that the layers complement your natural hair texture and enhance your facial features. Not only is the Cascade haircut aesthetically pleasing, but it is also incredibly practical. Its layered structure makes it easy to maintain and style, fitting perfectly into a busy lifestyle. Whether you prefer soft waves, sleek straight locks, or bouncy curls, this haircut adapts beautifully to different styling methods. Additionally, it works well with both natural and dyed hair, allowing for endless customization options. If you're considering a new look but don't want the hassle of high-maintenance hairstyles, the Cascade is an ideal solution. It provides the perfect balance between sophistication and ease, giving you a fresh, stylish appearance with minimal effort. To make the most of your Cascade haircut, consider incorporating styling products that enhance texture and volume. A good volumizing mousse or texturizing spray can amplify the layers, making your hair look even more dynamic and full of life. If you prefer sleek styling, a lightweight serum can help maintain smoothness and shine. The beauty of this haircut is that it doesn't require excessive styling. Simply air drying with a bit of leave-in conditioner can create a soft, natural effect. Whether you style it daily or let it fall naturally, the Cascade haircut remains effortlessly chic. For those who love experimenting with color, the Cascade haircut provides an excellent canvas for different dyeing techniques. Balayage and ombre styles work particularly well, as the layered structure allows for a seamless transition of shades, creating depth and dimension. If you prefer a bold, edgy look, vivid fashion colors like deep red, platinum blonde, or pastel shades can add a unique twist to the classic cut. Highlights and lowlights can also enhance the natural movement of the layers, giving your hair a sun-kissed, multi-dimensional effect. Another advantage of the Cascade haircut is its adaptability to seasonal trends. During warmer months, you can enhance the layers with beaky waves or soft curls for a breezy, summer-ready look. In colder seasons, straightening the layers or adding subtle waves can create a polished and elegant winter style. Regardless of the time of year, the Cascade remains a timeless and versatile choice. And that wraps up today's video on the timeless and versatile Cascade haircut. Whether you're drawn to the classic, torn, or high Cascade, this hairstyle offers endless opportunities to express your personal style, while enhancing your natural beauty. If you're ready for a change, why not give the Cascade a try? Let us know in the comments which variation is your favorite and if you're planning to rock this look soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Before we go, remember that the right haircut can transform your entire look and boost your confidence. The Cascade haircut is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an elegant, easy-to-maintain style that complements various hair textures and lengths. Whether you prefer a soft, subtle effect or a bold, dramatic look, this cut provides countless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish and confident.